everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Study with Soumya. Make sure to subscribe this channel if you haven't subscribed till now. And if you are new to this channel, then welcome to the channel. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. Also, join our Telegram channel. The link for the Telegram channel is given in the description itself. So make sure to join and be a part of our Telegram family. Well, in this video, we are going to discuss about some wonderful opportunities for all of you, right? So make sure to watch the complete video as if this video is going to be very helpful for you. So let's start with the first opportunity, that is from Capgemini. So you can see Capgemini is hiring for account freshers having 0 to 1 years experience, right, in Kolkata. This is the job description given: that perform invoice pre-process manual, process PO invoices, process non-PO invoices, resolve vendor and client queries. The role holder must comply with all the quality management system, business continuity management system, and information security management system requirements and guidelines of the organization. And these are the primary skills: understanding knowledge of P2P invoice processing, perform pre-process electronic. Secondary skills are excellent command over English in terms of written and spoken English, basic understanding of MS Excel, right? So as if this is an accounts fresher role, so there is no need of coding or so. Okay, so basically what is basically needed: that MS Excel, good command over English, and perform pre-process electronic and so this is an entry level or graduate level role. So if you are interested and if you are eligible, then make sure to apply for this particular opportunity. 2021 and 2020 pass outs can apply for this opportunity in the Capgemini, right? Let's see the next opportunity now. So next opportunity is from EY. So that is an off-campus drive from EY. So EY is basically hiring for multiple roles, and this is the job description here. So suppose the first role that it is providing is for analyst cyber. According to this, some responsibilities are given like threat hunting, detection and prevention, cloud security assessment, security controls assessment, analyst tech risks accordingly. So some description is provided your about your responsibilities and all. Next, it is hiring for analyst analytics, analyst data science, data engineering, analyst internal audit risk transformation, right? So you can see it is hiring for multiple job roles, right? So that's why make sure to apply for this wonderful opportunity. Here you have to give your first name, your middle name if you're having, last name, email ID, mobile number, roll number, your college roll number. You have to select your gender, then you have to provide your home location, and also role applied for. So here also, here they have attached this role job description, so just you can go through it, and accordingly in whichever role you are interested and you are finding that your skill set is aligning to that particular role, so accordingly you can select from here, right? About matriculation board, they have asked about matriculation CGPA. You have to mention when you passed it. You have to mention higher secondary board, higher secondary CGPA, and higher secondary year of passing. Graduation college name you have to provide. You have to choose the degree from here. So you can see it is the opportunity for BCom, BA students as well, BSc, BCA, BBA and all, right? So accordingly you can choose graduation stream. You have to mention CGPA. You have to mention if you are having any internship experience, so you can select yes and just mention the duration, mention the internship sector and the company as well, and here you have to upload your resume and just simply click on the submit. Okay, so make sure to apply for this wonderful opportunity. Also guys, don't forget to share this video among your friends, among your seniors who you think are eligible for these opportunities, and so that even they can know about this wonderful opportunity. So don't forget to share the video as well and subscribe the channel. Next opportunity is from Merkel Socrates. So you can see Merkel Socrates is hiring for software design engineer intern front end. So that is React.js, JavaScript, HTML, CSS. This is the company description given here. Just go through it once, right? And here they have mentioned that what would your day look like. So implement solution for broadly defined problems, be involved in full-fledged product development, collaborate with cross-functional teams to define, design and build new features, push them to production fast, be part of daily scrums, ideate and brainstorm solutions with managers, mentors, and show off your convincing skills. Unit test code for robustness, including edge cases, usability, and general reliability. Work on bug fixing and improving application performance. Discuss new ideas in weekly tech form with your peers and mentors. Qualifications, they have mentioned that have a solid grounding in computer science fundamentals, are good at problem solving, know and have good hands in at least one app framework like is React, Vue, Angular. Does not matter as long as you have a strong opinion of which one is your favorite. Can teach the framework with easy and write application using vanilla JS, HTML, CSS. Have actively developed first-hand any web application with an API integration. Simple to complex does not matter to us as long as it is responsive, mobile first, and has a fast page load time and is pixel perfect. Right, so these are the wonderful, so these are the requirements they have mentioned. Some additional information also they have mentioned, right? So here they have not mentioned the batch eligible. So generally 2020 and 2021 batch can apply for this one, and if you're having this these set of skills, then for sure you should apply. So this is a wonderful opportunity from Merkle Socrates, so make sure to apply. This is it for this video. Thank you so much guys for watching the video. Don't forget to share the video and subscribe the channel. Bye bye.